Hello, I'm back. Happy Sunday. I'm back to show y'all because I started drinking Keto bulletproof coffee. And so this is it. I whipped it. I'm going to get one of those coffee frothers, but I put it in the, what you call that thing? The blender. So you see the frothiness right here at the top. You saw a little bit of separation. I'm also going to be bringing to y'all a new coffee that I found through Keto Camp, because I'm currently following him. He gives very good advice, but he also has something called Keto Camp where you sign up. It isn't free, but he was offering it yesterday for 50% off, so I only paid $19.99. I believe it's a month thing, so I'll see how far I go with it. But it seemed like it's a really good program group. It's a, he has a Facebook group, but of course it's private. You have to join his program, to get into that group. He does have a lot of videos, but basically you have to, if you don't want to get into the program, you have to piece together the videos to see, what works. He's not going to make it that easy, but he does have YouTube videos. It's called Keto Camp with a K. K-K-K-A-M-P, not C-A-M-P. And he wants me to start off at pillar 1. He has 4 pillars to get into keto. But for me, I've been doing low carb / keto for about 2 going on 3 weeks now, and y'all know I've been doing my intermittent fasting. So with the first pillar, it's like for people who fell off of keto or just starting, I don't want to go backwards. I've already been doing intermittent fasting, so that's not new to me. Keto is new, but I said to him how I break my fast, what time I break my fast, with what, and so I don't want to go backwards, trying to start all over. So I'm just following small stuff that I didn't do for now. So this keto coffee, some people it don't break your fast, some people it do, because it's basically all fats and a little bit of plant milk that I put in here, which is the Elmhurst oat milk. It's only like 4 to 6 of these teaspoons, which don't even register as calories when I put them into my Fitness Pal. So I do that. But basically what's in my coffee is you can use whatever coffee you want. Again, I have a new one that I'm trying that he uses and recommends, and I get more into it when it comes. But I use one of the coffee packs that I had. It's one that you just pour right into the water. I do have a machine, but I think that the coffee sucks that comes out of those pods. I didn't like it, so I've been stopped using it. But it's 8 ounces of water, my coffee, then I put 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You can use, hopefully I did this right, you can use coconut or ghee. No, you can use butter or ghee, I think. If not, it's already in there. But in mine, I put 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of MCT oil, and 1 tablespoon of grass-fed unsalted butter, which is Kerrygold. It's in the silver packet. The salted one is in the gold packet, I believe. So I have the unsalted, and then a dash of sea salt, pink Himalayan sea salt, and then like 4 to 5 of these spoonful of the Elmhurst oat milk, and then I put it into the blender. So let me see how it tastes. I already prayed. It's pretty good. Not bad. It's pretty good. So give it a try. So on the weekends, this is when I'm breaking my fast with. I'm kind of doing, I guess you want to say, a dirty fast. Hopefully, because I don't have a blood glucose machine yet. I plan to get one just to kind of see where I'm at. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have one. For some people, the bulletproof coffee do not break their fast or do not cause their insulin levels to spike, and some people it do. So it all depends on the person. I'm hoping for me it don't, but if it do, not a big deal. I fast all throughout the week, so my thing is to fast Monday through Friday, and then I still fast on Saturday and Sunday, but just kind of break my fast whenever. So I'm breaking my fast at 2 o'clock. So I think the last time I had something was about 1:30 in the morning, and that's when I wasn't starving, so I just had me 8 ounces of my chicken bone broth from Keto and Fire. Only thing I put in it, I didn't put any, did I put the cream of tartar and stuff in it? I can't remember if I did or if I didn't. I may have. I'm not sure. I think I did, but that was all I had last night is the chicken bone broth from Kettle and Fire. For dinner, I had, and I wasn't really hungry, so yesterday I had my bulletproof coffee, but the only thing I put in it was the tablespoon of butter. It wasn't. It was a half a tablespoon of the butter, and then my Elmhurst oat milk, and that was it. And I was fine all day until I had to get up and fix my boys' dinner. And so I think for me, I just fixed bacon and eggs. 3 eggs with some cheese, splash of milk, and then 3 pieces of my uncured sugar-free turkey bacon. And then that was it, and I was fine. And I was still up about after 1, so I said, you know what, let me go get me some bone broth. So I did that, and then I had some more pistachios, and I had some earlier. So I ate more pistachios than I wanted to, but I really didn't have much of an appetite yesterday. So I think this does good at suppressing your appetite. So even though I do break my traditional fast, this is probably the only thing that I have until dinner tonight and not be hungry. Yeah. So I just wanted to come and show y'all this and kind of tell y'all what I'm doing and, stuff like that. So y'all enjoy y'all Sunday. Get ready for the week. Be safe. I don't know what we're getting ready for. I mean, out here, we have not opened back up anything. It's just the grocery stores that are open. So only thing I got to get ready for tomorrow is my workout. So y'all be safe, and if y'all got nothing to do, go and binge watch my videos. I did have a sneaker upload. I was supposed to have that Freddy's upload of them pants, but I just do not like the way that particular pair fit me. So what I'm going to try to do is just have my daughter model them, because they're mid-waist and I got too much butt for those. I need high waist. So she doesn't like the color, but I'm going to get her to review them for you with me filming, because I think it'll look much better on her than it will me for right now. And then also the on foot with my golden goose. I'm going to redo that too. I did film it, but I'm going to redo it. I didn't like the way, I liked the way it came out, but it didn't. I had my workout clothes on the floor. I don't like to mix them with my regular laundry, and I just have them on the floor. I might upload it. I don't know. I'll see. So with that being said, peace. Watch my videos.